Hey everyone, Kaylee, your friendly neighborhood hairstylist here, and today I am trying the hardest braid on Instagram. Now obviously there are multiple very difficult braids on Instagram, so today's hairstyle was chosen by asking you guys on Instagram to send me some very difficult braids for me to try to recreate, and I picked one of the ones that was sent to me the most. Now, I do think this has potential to be a series, so let me know by hitting the like button and commenting below if you would like to see more videos like this. I have enlisted the help of my sister Anna and her long, luscious hair, and we're gonna be trying to recreate this hairstyle from another braid. I'm gonna do my best. I'm not sure how this is gonna go. Obviously, I do a lot of braids on myself, but a lot of my channel revolves around stuff that you can do in the morning and get out the door. Not so much these like braided works of art. So I'm gonna try my hand at it and see whether I can do it or whether I fail. Let's find out together. Do you want to see the braid that I'm doing on your hair today?
Yes.
Starting with this braid from a page called Another Braid. I got so many requests just from this one girl because her work is amazing. There's the braid. Look at it.
Oh my God.
Look at it.
Oh, wow.
Wow.
Good luck.
All right, so this is a diamond braid.
Yeah, that's
It's
like the one you did on me in the Instagram hairstyle.
It's
right?
similar, but not the same.
Okay.
It's a crisscross diamond braid. And then this is a scissor waterfall braid, 3 of them. Whoa, I didn't even notice this part. Uh-oh, the crossover right here. My poor brain. As much as I love braids, I don't know how to do every braid, so I have looked up this chick's tutorial on both of these braids, and we'll be using them and praying. Okay, let me go ahead. Let's like math this out. So we've got 8 sections on top, 8 sections on the bottom. Oh, and there's only 6 for the second diamond braid. So 8 on top, 6 on the bottom.
So braid 1 is a diamond
Crisscross braid. Do all 3 of the left ones first and then the right ones. The right braids over the extra 3 sections that results from the scissor. This is literally like figuring out a puzzle.
All right, let's just get that far and see how we do.
Yeah. All right. You want to watch this tutorial with me?
Yeah.
So you go under, over, and then through on both sides. Then you pick up a new piece of hair.
From the outside.
And you go under, over, through. All right, and then you keep repeating that. Let's try it. And now Anna's just the back of the head. Everybody, let's say a prayer for Anna's hair and my sanity. So we start with some working serum. Making the hair more slippery, not necessarily helpful, but making the hair more smooth, very helpful. Okay, let's braid this thing. So we start off with this section of hair. We need it in 3 pieces. And we've got the 2 pieces on the outside that we're wrapping around, and then the one in the middle that's doing the wrapping. So it goes under, over, and through. We do the same thing on the other side. Go under, over, and through. And now we add in more hair. So we put a little bit more hair in here, and then we do our little loop. So many extra little hairs want to hang on. How does she do this and make it look pretty? Under, over, and through. And tighten her up. And now we repeat that 7 more times. Roll up the sleeves. Gonna add some gel. Boop. So we take a little bit of this gel and just put it over this section. This is section number 5 of 8. We're getting there. Back in with some more gel. Listen, I did a lot of stuff back in the day. I hammered pins into your bun with a hairbrush.
Yeah, y'all remember those palette hairbrushes? Like the huge, I mean they still make them, but the huge square back ones? She would just like mallet it in there.
I think there were times where we actually took the pins out and it stayed in the bun.
Yes, that's exactly what happened. And then the only way I could get it undone was I'd have to fill a bathtub up with warm water and dip my head in it until the gel loosened enough for me to unbraid it.
Now we start taking pieces out. I'm gonna use the blue clip for that. And this piece is gonna go out, and then we wrap and tie. Oh, now it's really starting to come together. I see it now. And now we take this one down. Just put that there for now. Take out another similar small piece and duck it over there and go under, over, through. All right, and then she had this like wrapped around the base. I'm not mad at it. Okay, let me like tilt you guys down, give you a little tour. Because she has all this dimension in her hair and it's not all light, you miss some of the detail. But if you see we have the top, it gets larger and then it gets smaller down here. We have these little bits that come off and these are gonna go into the 6 waterfall braids that I'm about to. But these sections coming out are pretty. It feels like macrame. If nothing else, I think after this I'm gonna make a tapestry.
Ooh. To be continued.
To be continued. We're gonna go get snacks. So, you know, I did my best with this. I think I did a respectable job. Did I quite nail it? I don't really know. But I do have another try in this hairstyle because we're only 1 out of 2 crisscross diamond braids through it. I'm gonna go ahead and put some gel on these sections. So these little guys that are coming out here, just gonna go ahead and get them all nice and separated. Get them all cute. Yeah, this is definitely adding that definition that I wanted. So we've got our nice little fanned out separated sections. Now I gotta learn how to do a scissor waterfall braid. Oh, I remember this. I watched this already. Okay, so we got like 4 sections. The outside sections come to the middle. Whoa. And then you put the waterfall strand through there. Okay, I think I understand it, but I don't think I can articulate it. I'm gonna need some gel. And I need this section to reach to the back, so we need to make sure that all the little pieces are long enough, which they are. I'm gonna split it into 2, and then split those 2 into another 2. Okay, so the outside sections come to the middle, and then our new little middle pieces go down, and the other ones go up. And then you take your little waterfall piece, and this just goes, we're gonna go with a little bit of gel. This just goes between the 2 sections, and then you bring the 2 sections from the front, hug the back sections around them, and then those go down and the back section goes up. And we're ready for the next piece. So you know what I'm not doing correctly? I'm not supposed to be taking these pieces of hair. I'm supposed to be taking these pieces of hair. Gosh darn it. One more time. Braid 1 of 3 on this side complete.
Woo-hoo.
All right, we're just gonna bobby pin that in place. There we go. Alrighty, check this out. Heyo, she's doing it. Alrighty, and we did this one, yeah. This braid's not too bad. I mean, it looks like a basket. All right, switch sides. Block. Look at it. We're gonna take these bobby pins out now with caution because they have now been braided into this guy, just as we braided in the pieces that came out of the crisscross diamond braid. Oh my goodness.
Show me, I want to see.
Here you go.
What? That is crazy.
Are there more questions you would like to ask
Ooh.
me?
What are you and your sister working on? Question mark.
This.
Do you think you'll move out of NC anytime soon?
I am not planning on it.
Heck no! How did you decide to work with me? I kind of just showed up.
Yeah.
And then I kept showing up.
I think I've told this story before. We went on this like family vacation and I was trying to get some content while we were there because it was this like beautiful trip in Mexico and I was wearing cute outfits. I was doing cute stuff with my hair. And I needed somebody to help me, and I didn't really have anybody. And so Anna was like, I'm here. And she jumped in, and she was taking pictures, and she was taking video. I think some of that ended up on my channel. Definitely ended up on Instagram. And she did such a good job. And also, she is strong in a lot of areas where I am not, and I already knew that because, you know, we're like sisters, and I've lived with her and that kind of stuff. So it was kind of a no-brainer. I was doing all this on my own for so long. I feel like I actually get to breathe a little bit, and I feel like that makes me a lot happier on camera. It makes me a lot happier in life. Yeah, it opens up just a whole new world that I did not realize I was missing out on before.
What made you decide to continue doing YouTube when things got tough?
There's so many times where things got tough. It's like, which time are we talking about
time?
here? All right, guys, now you can see the braid. What you think? You know, I do wish that I had done this a little more prettily, but the whole thing's coming together. This is really showing how talented the original hairstylist is. Oh my gosh. Okay, so what kept me on YouTube when things got hard? I don't think I've ever been somebody to just like stop or give up when things get difficult. I think if anything, I actually kind of pushed a little bit harder. So I don't really think that in my mind it was even an option. I mean, I love you guys. I love the community we have here. I love everything that I've built here. I don't think I would ever just like walk away from that.
Are you happy?
Yeah, I think I'm a lot happier these days. I have an actually doable amount of work every week. I have people in my life that are being kind and respectful and supportive at all times. Like, that's all new.
Happy.
Happy. Just doing so much better. And I think I'm a lot more secure in myself as well, which is nice because that's something that I've been working towards for years and years now.
How is Pippin?
Oh, Pippin's great. Pippin's doing so good.
The house we have right now that Kayley's renting, it has a big old backyard.
Yep.
And Pippin loves it.
It's got squirrels. He gets to chase them. He thinks he's a hunter. He's not. And now we crisscross diamond braid again. Holy cannolis.
Does Anna Laura get you to go to the gym with her?
Not yet.
Kayley doesn't like working out with me.
So I love my sister. We grew up dancing together, being about the same level of fitness, which sounds crazy to say now because Anna Laura is stupid fit and I haven't worked out in a year. I mean, I have, but like not on the level that she does. And so what happens is I end up in these classes with her or at the gym with her and I'm trying to keep up and I think that I should be able to, but I can't.
Oh, that sibling rivalry kicks in.
Yeah.
She about kills herself.
Yeah, I end up laying on the ground trying to breathe, like.
I love that that's when it's too far. Like, you're not just like, oh, okay, you're doing more reps than I am. I'm cool with that. You're like, this is not okay until I'm laying on the floor about to die.
Yeah. See, I don't stop when things get difficult. I stop when my body gives out. That's not healthy. Don't do that. I'm trying to get better about that. I'm trying to find the mix between being, like, not lazy, but also not trying too hard. I mean, it's not bad. I thought I was gonna do better. But I'm gonna let you guys see it.
Whoa.
And you can be the judge for yourself.
Whoa! That's so cool!
I mean, okay, it's cool. It's just not braid master level.
Well, then what is?
The original picture.
Bro, that looks really similar. I mean, especially that part is like perfect. Cut yourself some slack. That is very cool.
Thanks, girl. Thanks.
Let us know in the comments below if you think Kayley nailed that, or at least give her a thumbs up for effort. If you guys want to give it a shot, do that and then tag us in it.
Yeah, please.
Please do it. It'll make her feel better.
So it's been about 2 hours. Okay. I'm gonna give myself a little bit of a break because that was the first time I've done either of those kinds of braids.
Yeah.
I've never done the crisscross applesauce diamond braid before. Never done the scissor waterfall. Scissor waterfall went pretty well.
Yeah,
I'm gonna say I did pretty well with that. The diamond one, I could use some work on.
Okay, you need to cut yourself some slack though. It looks great. It really does.
Thanks.
It's very cool.
I think I want to try this again. If you guys would like to see another I try the hardest braids on Instagram video, let me know in the comments down below.
Okay, I'm gonna go now.
Okay, bye.
Bye.
All right, well, I hope you guys have enjoyed my slow descent into madness. This has been really fun to get back into some intricate braids. I mean, in general, I've been doing more simple hairstyles, but especially since I cut my hair shorter. So that was definitely a fun foray for me, and I want to keep practicing so I can get all my skills just the best. But that is it for today's video. If you're new here, hit that subscribe button to join the Braidaholic family here on Kayley Melissa, and all y'all can hit that bell icon to be notified every time I post a new video. But that's it for today. Whether you're old or you're new or you're a casual lurker, thank you for spending time with me, and I'll see you in my next video. Mwah! Bye! You can do a whole braid with a dollop of hair gel.
I spell scissors. That's like the hardest word in the world.
I never know how to spell it. You spelled it right!
Oh my gosh. Okay.
I'm glad we got this on
I
camera.
am too. I'm going to show that to Scott.